So I just wait for a little bit more temperature.
Yep.
It doesn't take long being a car engine and quite a small amount of water.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't want to push the oil pressure too much and end up popping a seal or something.
So, for the people watching this, what power plant have you got in here?
This is a Subaru EA81. It's roughly 50 horsepower.
Okay. And that's what it was built with originally?
That was what was originally in it, yeah.
Yeah. What's the construction year?
It first flew in 1996. It's built by G-WIBB.
Yeah.
I think he bought it as a part built and finished it. I'm not entirely sure about that.
Yeah.
But the engine's good. Well, being a car engine, it requires nothing really.
Yeah.
Just general maintenance. And obviously we put the second Liebherr on it last year or the year before.
And the Liebherr is working well?
Brilliantly, yeah.
Yeah.
You'll notice when we do the mag check, you won't even see a drop on one side. You might hear it very slightly. It's so closely timed now, and you'll hear a slight drop. Right, breakers on, stickers back. But if you can hear a very, very slight drop.
Yeah.
This is a stepped rev counter, so you don't really see it until there's a change of about 50 revs. So it's running mainly on that, the other one's slightly behind, if you see what I mean, but they're both functioning.
Yeah, yeah.
Tick over. Lovely. Good. So, the fuel is on. Canopy latch your side?
Yep, latch.
Yep, canopy latched in the middle. I'll leave that open just for on the ground, so it's misting up. Just for temperature in the air. Trim is set. Fuel is on. The altitude I've left to the airfield level.
Yep.
And then I'll come in and do a 1,000-foot circuit. That's about right. Temperatures, TP's are good. We have fuel pump on. We're charging. Okay, I'm ready if you are.
I'm fine. Yep. I'll try my hardest to keep my legs out of the way.
Anything coming? See anything?
No, clear.
Very well defined turning circle you've done there.
Well, the tractor did it by itself really, just sort of did the way that it did it. And you'll notice when we come in there's a curve on the landing cut as well.
Right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm keeping my arm over the back here. I think it's out of the way. It gives you more.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, well, a little bit cramped in here. Here we go.
Yeah, quite a nice finish to the end of the runway.
Climbing speed generally 2 up, I'll climb at 70.
Yeah.
1 up, 65.
Right.
You'll notice about this as well, because it's so small and light, it gets buffeted around quite a lot.
Right.
Any unsettled weather will bang it around.
Yeah. But she seems to be climbing really well.
It's climbing well, yep. Bit of lift there, we suddenly shot up.
That's a nice one. And still going.
Yeah. We're leveling off here.
That was a sort of 500-foot one, wasn't it?
It's bizarre. Because it's so light, it feels everything, the aeroplane.
Yeah.
It's really strange. Bit of rough weather now. In a bigger aeroplane, you probably wouldn't notice. We're making some good speed though. I mean, we are diving slightly, but I mean, this is miles an hour.
Yeah.
I mean, the climate's quite good, so I'm guessing the air is fairly dense today.
Yeah. Just trying to avoid that sleet that Martin found.
Yeah. It was certainly going well enough. 3-2, it will cruise faster, but than this if you want it to, but
Right.
it's quite happy.
Yeah. And the burn at the moment, you say, will be about?
For this rev, it's about 12 litres an hour. So we're doing like 105, 110 mile an hour.
Cool.
It's not bad for a two-seater aeroplane, really. I know Chris, when he flies it a bit slower and he gets about 11 litres an hour.
Right.
Well, it's quite nice up here now, considering what it was like an hour ago.
Yeah. Interesting looking cloud over the top of Felixstowe.
Yeah.
Curling round.
It's going to touch just slightly. It tries to bank right, because I've set it up basically because I fly alone a lot.
Right.
So it'll do this.
Okay, yeah.
There's slight pressure on, slight left pressure, you get used to it.
Well, the visibility forward of the leading edge is tremendous, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got this nice canopy, which is...
Yeah.
It's got the university down there, which is ever expanding.
Yeah.
A new building going on. Having to clean the canopy, really, wasn't it?
That's brilliant. I mean, it's a little bit like the Emerald canopy.
Yeah.
Although the trouble with that is that it was very flat, so your forward visibility wasn't very much. I'm always fascinated as a geographer by the meanders on the Roman River here.
You got there, well, it's Wivenhoe down there, and it with the flood barrier.
Yeah.
Got Olson Creek, where I spent many a happy hour as a child.
Yep.
So the temperature's good, the smell normal, the oil pressure's good.
Yep.
We have fuel, we're still charging. Got to head over towards Clacton.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, fine, whatever.
Gain a bit of altitude on the way across because we don't want to go for hard to speak to them.
Very nice example of longshore drift there.
I don't even know what that is.
Sorry?
I don't even know what that is.
It's the way that the sand is carried down along the beach.
Right.
And then deposit at the very end. Can you see it's curled?
Yep.
Each new piece is curled.
Well, a new tide.
And it's just the way that the sand moves.
Right, so 2,000 feet. That's well out of their circuit. Seems to be gaining a bit of lift again. Whereas you can tell with the nose, the tail's up higher and the nose is lower.
We're sort of
The revs are going up where we're...
Yeah, we're directly into wind, aren't we? According to their windsock.
Oh, yeah. Do you want me to turn you around the field so you can...
No, I don't mind.
Well, that'll be noticeable anyway.
Yeah.
Well, there's definitely stuff going on.
Yeah.
Looks a bit. Looks like the school aircraft outside the clubhouse there.
Yeah.
4 lined up on the fence. Can't see anything in the circuit. Clacton Pier.
Yep.
Sorry about that, if that was your head.
No.
Like I say,
I'm not tall enough to have a problem with like that.
does bounce around a bit in the rough
Yeah.
weather.
If anything, it feels a little bit bumpier now than it did when we first took off.
Yeah. I wonder what's over the airfield now.
Yeah.
You can see all that murk ahead of us.
It does look a little bit interesting.
We'll find out. We'll head back that way, shall we?
Yeah, get in ahead of it.
Yeah, hopefully. If not, we've still got a couple of hours of fuel.
Stooge around.
Fly around until it goes away. Or land somewhere else. That's good, my workshop's not on fire.
Yeah, still intact.
Always nice, my band's still there. I think, yeah, there it is.
They seem to have got extra space behind the car auction now.
Oh yeah, there's an extra parking there.
Yeah.
Well, looking ahead looks lovely. Then we'll get back to the airfield. I mean, it's pretty much on our nose, the airfield. Well, we are ahead of that. That's not even at Sudbury yet, is it? I don't think. Can you see the mast?
It looks like a good one, though.
Yeah. We'll go. Oh yeah, I can see the mast. I think. Is that the mast over there?
Yeah.
On my nose. It looks like it's in that. So maybe we'll get down before it. Maybe we won't.
So at the moment, I should imagine the airfield is getting a bit of a dousing.
I can see it on the nose. Look.
Yeah.
Well, it's not on the, sorry, over there, not on the nose. I think it's about 5 minutes away from getting absolutely drenched.
Yeah.
Looking at the rain. I think we can hook round the back of it and wait for it to pass over.
Yeah.
It's quite
I think it's moving away fairly quickly.
Yeah. It's going to pass over the airfield, maybe slightly to one side. It's going to get it, but I don't think it's going to be in the middle of it.
I should imagine it's another one of those sleep. Were you there when just after Martin landed?
Yeah, yeah.
With that sleep.
Hold up against the windows, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It does look very interesting. Yeah, it's passed over it, hasn't it now?
Yeah, yeah. I think we'll be all right. Maybe we're going to have to wait. Might have got a bit of it, and that was it. I think. I don't think Wormwood was so lucky. I'll head round the back of the village. I think we're all right to go into the circuit there. It's missed us, isn't it?
No, I think it's well clear now.
Not a gradual descent.
That was my head.
So, TP's looking good. We have fuel. Still charging. And we know where we are. Circuit height. Can't see anything moving on the ground.
No.
I can't see. John hasn't got the RV out by the look of it. There we have the airfield on our left. The runway's nice and clear. Freshly mown.
Yep.
Thanks to Tim.
Can you see what I mean about not cutting it right the way down to the bottom?
Oh yeah, yeah, you can see it. It's like it's got a fringe.
Yeah. And that stuff has just passed through.
You tend to go around these for your circuit.
Sorry?
Do you hit these houses?
Yeah.
I mean, generally I just try and avoid everything.
Oh yeah, I try to avoid everything.
Right, can we see all your little whirling crew? There's people out, look, is that glider out on the runway? There's the airfield, there it is. Right, you canopy locked?
Yep.
Strapped in?
I am, yep.
Fuel is on. Altitude's good, TMP's good. We have fuel pump on, we're charging. I'm going to try and just cut my normal base turn a little closer in.
Can you see what I mean about those two little reservoirs?
Yeah. Well, I'm going to go over those rather than over the greenhouses as I normally do. So a slightly shorter approach than normal. And I'm probably going going to nudge your leg out of the way in a minute.
Yeah, no, I'll move it right out of the way.
Get to the flaps.
Oh, I've just got rained on.
Yeah, so did I. Where's that coming in? It's weird when it's coming under there. Oh yeah, look, you can see it splashing off the edge. Right down below 80 mile an hour for the first stage of flap. First stage should be enough, usually.
Yeah.
I'm still quite high. No, doesn't want to lose altitude at all.
Yeah.
We've always got the option of second stage,
Yeah.
which you might actually be using. I don't think we're going to come down, Tim. Look,
We're stationary.
we're just not going anywhere. Right, I'm going to use second stage of flaps.
Okay.
I'm quite rarely doing this.
All right. Oh, it's quite nose down, isn't it?
Yeah. But it does bring me down quite quickly.
Yeah.
I might let it go again in a moment.
Yeah. I mean, I always used to do that in the Nord. If I ever used 3 stages,
Yeah.
I used to go back to 2 to land off.
Well, you can land perfectly well with 2 and this isn't really effective. Need a little bit of throttle. I think we're right now. I'll get that again. Just got us moving down nicely.
Yeah. You'll have to tell me what you think about the position of the cut.
Alright.
Because we don't usually use anything before that.
No, I'll go over that. I'll be surprised if we touch down on that.
Oh, yeah.
Bit of a last minute sinky there. Open the throttle to go up the hill.
Does that happen very often, or?
Yeah. Sometimes I'll try and fly right up the hill and just land at the end.
Yeah. Our windsock is completely different direction to Clacton.
Different direction to when we took off.
Yeah. And in fact, the anemometer is saying no wind. Well, thank you very much for that.
You're welcome.
Really enjoyed that. And it's going to be the standard statement now.
Sorry,
It's time for a cup of tea.
Time for
isn't
a
it,
cup of
really?
tea, absolutely, yeah. And we're done.
Thank you very much.